earn on Yo.fan. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is a log. This is an AdSense dashboard of Yo.fan. Okay, what you need to do, you see this live recording. Okay, I refresh from the dashboard. Okay, you've seen it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, just hold on. It's still 18.2. If you can still wait for, let me say, um 10 to 20 minutes, you'll see that this earning will also increase. Okay, then now let's go to the Gmail, and you will see that when you immediately you get this verified um notice, congratulations message being sent to you. Okay, you've seen moderation request, daily update 247. Okay, see Yo.fan 3 days ago. Okay, you've seen congratulations, your Yo.fan profile is now verified. Daily update 247. We've drilled to inform you that your Yo.fan profile content has been reviewed and verified, which make your profile eligible for Google AdSense monetization. To enable monetization on your profile, please log into your Yo.fan AdSense, use Google AdSense with guard or setting page. You will need to sign up for a Google AdSense account if you haven't done so already. Once you've completed the setup process, you can start earning revenue from your content. Okay, when you receive this information, and this to say that you've got your 10,000 views already, and when it passed the review process, you receive this message of congratulations that you are now verified. This is when you can start earning from Google. The earning is 30/70. Yo.fan community takes 30% of the revenue, but the revenue will not show that they have deducted what you've received from your Google AdSense dashboard. That is to say, Yo.fan has taken theirs already. Okay. Also note that Yo.fan has Google AdSense strict policies regarding fraudulent clicks, self-clicking on ads, and other violations. They said that if they receive any reports, such activities on your account, your Yo.fan ads may be disabled, and any earnings may be forfeited automatically. So Yo.fan strongly recommend that you review your AdSense program policy and ensure that your account remain in good standing. If you have any question or concerning about AdSense policy or any question at all, you can contact Yo.fan community or AdSense for help. So Yo.fan is coming to stay. So they are very ready to assist you. So what I'm trying to guide you is how to earn like 1,000 to 5,000 from it. The best thing to do is for you to run Google Ads traffic, okay? To run Google Ads traffic. Then you can also run Facebook traffic. This will generate this for you, okay? It will generate the revenue for you. You see page views from different places. You see how many clicks, impression in the last 7 days. You've seen the impressions. Let's look at today so far. You've seen 10,000 clicks, 32,000 page views. The CPC is very bad, 0.26 CPC. Okay, thank you for watching. don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video.